circuit. For this we need TDA2822 IC, 25 volt 100 microfarad capacitor and a 1 microfarad capacitor, and some wires. And aux cable with potentiometer. First place the IC on your helping hand. And take 100 microfarad capacitor and connect the plus side of capacitor to pin number 1, and take another capacitor 100 microfarad and connect to pin 3 plus side. And take a 1 microfarad capacitor and connect pin 5 positive, pin 4 to negative, like this. And take your aux cable and connect the ground to the 1 microfarad capacitor's minus point, and pin number 7 to left audio point, and pin number 6 to right audio point. And then short the pin number 8 to 5 like this. And take the speakers, connect the ground point to the 1 microfarad capacitor minus point, and right speaker wire to the 100 microfarad capacitor minus, and another left wire to 100 microfarad capacitor minus point, and take a 3.7 volt. Connect the plus point to the pin number 2 and minus point to the pin number 4. It is working. You can adjust the volume by using potentiometer. Now I am testing this. It's working. Now I am using my Bluetooth receiver. I have connected the Bluetooth receiver and switched on the audio from my phone. It is working. You can see. Without loud sound, you can use for PC, phone, laptop, etc.
Whenever your heart is broken,